Now that your project UI is ready for use, let's set it up to enable AdMob in it. More importantly, let's add the smart AdMob framework to it. To the code! Welcome back. In this course, we are going to add the AdMob framework to the project. So we are going to add this with CocoaPods. If you don't already have CocoaPods installed onto your computer, go ahead, open a browser and find CocoaPods. Click on the first one, cocoapods.org. So here we have what is CocoaPods, and if you scroll down enough, you will see how to install it. So it's sudo gem install CocoaPods. Go ahead and open up a terminal, and we will do that now. Command Shift to bring out the spotlight, Command Space to bring out the spotlight, and then type in terminal. Now you will need to just copy this out, sudo gem install CocoaPods, and paste it here. No, did not copy it. Sorry about that. Let's copy it and then paste it here and hit return to install CocoaPods. Okay, I already have installed CocoaPods, so I will just delete that, and we will add the required frameworks for AdMob into our project. So first of all, let's go to our project. So type into the terminal, go ahead, and type in, let me just make this a little bit bigger. Okay, type in cd and open your Finder, and then just simply navigate to your project. So here is our project. So we have cd typed in and just drag and drop it into terminal. Okay, and then hit return. So as you can see, we are in the Learn Smart AdMob folder. Next up is type in pod init. Now, let me just drag this out so you may see more clearly. This will create a pod file in our folder for this project. So go ahead back in terminal and hit return after pod init. Okay, wait for it, and as you can see, the pod file has been created. Now we will need to add some pods to the pod file. So go ahead and type in vim pod file to edit it. Click on A to edit it and delete this hashtag sign before the platform command. Hit space there, go down 2 spaces, and we are going to enter our 2 pods that are needed, and those are pod Firebase /core, and let's finish that, and the next one is pod Firebase -AdMob /. And that's it, because we have linked our AdMob app to Firebase, we are going to use the Firebase pods. Okay, now that we have that, click on tap on your keyboard ask, and then type in this. Okay, hit on return, and the pod file will be saved and closed. Next up, we need to install the pod file. So pod install, that is what you need to type in there and hit return, and the pod will be installed. As you can see, it says, please close any current Xcode sessions and use the Xcode workspace for this project from now on. So let's do that. We have this Xcode project open, so we will close it now. And from now on, we will start using this Learn Smart AdMob Xcode XC workspace. Let's open it. Let me just drag it out here. Okay. And you can see there are two projects inside this workspace, a Learn Smart AdMob project and a pods project with your pod file. And if you just dig down here deeper, you will see that here are the pods that we just installed. Okay, let me just close that. Now, we should take a look at the Learn Smart AdMob group. And here we have our main storyboard and we have our view controller that we have just set up. And just to be on the safe side, let's just build and run it on an iPhone 7 Plus simulator. Let me just drag this out. Okay. Let's minimize this. Starts. Okay. And the build was successful. We are ready to go. Okay, there are some issues in the log that we will take care of them later. We'll take care of them later. Okay, like adding the Google service.info plist file, but we will get to that later on. Okay, now that we have the CocoaPods installed, let's add our smart AdMob files that you have just downloaded. Stop that and open the desktop, and you will see your Google service info plist file. Just go ahead and drag and drop it into your workspace. Click on finish. Make sure that it has been copied into the destination folder, of course. Here is our Google service info plist file and our resources smart AdMob folder that has these two files, the smart AdMob file, Swift file of course, and the smart AdMob constants file. Just copy them, select both of them and drag and drop here. Copy item if needed of course, and select your target. Click on finish. Okay, let's build and run again and let's see if this error goes away. Not just yet. Yep, we still need to initialize it, but we will get to the code later on. That is all you need to do to set up your project to receive AdMob ads. Well, at least the framework part. Now we need to dig into some code. So let's do that in the next lesson.